Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. I think today's video is going to be a small one because it's quite easy according to me. Although let's see how easy it is in actual. So first of all, I'll I'll make it completely out of CSS and not use any HTML. So star background. So background is going to be this color. Let's paste it. Now next comes plus star. And now we need to give it some width and height. So I think width would be around 60. And same for the height. And we will have to use box shadow here. So box shadow 64Q, 64Q. And now let's give it the color, which is kind of white only for now. First of all, I think the size is big than it should be. Yes, so maybe 50. Yeah, 50 is more compatible. Now let's give it the location. So it is maybe, I don't know, 104, 144. Yeah, 124 is correct. And yeah, so one square has been kept there. Now we can do the same for rest of them. Let's see for once. Good. So the next one will obviously have the same value for the y-axis. So there would be a 45Q and the color would be same. Now we would be changing it from 150Q, 250Q, 40, 30. Yeah. Next thing, now I would be doing, first I'll be doing all 4 white ones, then I'll do the yellow ones. So 124Q and maybe 100Q. No, it is more than 100, so maybe 150. 149, 150.5. Yeah. So again, now it would be a 230Q, 150.5Q, and the color needs to be changed. And now it's turn for the yellow ones. So let me first take the yellow color. And now we would be using, like, they'll have different coordinates. So I'd be using 200Q and around 100Q. Let's give it the color. 99, 8. Yeah, 98 is quite correct. 190, 80, 81, 82. No. So we have to go 79, 78, 77. So now we have the left value for it, or you can say x-axis value. So it's easier for us to proceed further. Paste, and now I would give it like 197.6. No, we have to increase it. So 200. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so as you can see, it is completely black in the difference, which means it's as accurate as possible. Let's see how much score we get. 597. That's, I think, the highest I have achieved. So it's this. We were able to get such a high score because we used only CSS, which does make the work quite less, and even the character count decreases. Let's submit it now. Wait. It's 597. I got confused with 697. My bad. What's the difference? Like, as you can see, it is completely black. Okay, there are slight differences. Let me see. So maybe 0.5. Yeah. I had to turn up the brightness to see that there is some difference. So 0.5, not comma 5. I need to have 0.5. 44, 43, 44. And once again here also 44.5. There is still a slight difference, but I don't think it is that much of a problem to us. 97.5. Now let's check again. Yeah, it is again the highest I've scored, 677.84. And we even used pretty less amount of characters, like 172. Let's do this. Now we have used 171. So it has turned 678.39. Let me check for once that if we can even remove this tag. No, we can't. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.